But Zion said, the Lord has forsaken me. My Lord has forgotten me. Can a woman forget her nursing child, that she should have no compassion on the son of her womb? Even these may forget, yet I will not forget you. Behold, I have engraved you on the palm of my hand. Your walls are continually before me. Your builders make haste. Your destroyers and those who laid you waste go out from you. Lift up your eyes around and see. They all gather. They come to you. As I live, declares the Lord, you shall put them all on as an ornament. You shall bind them on as a bride doth. Surely your waste in your desolate places and your devastated land. Surely now you will be too narrow for your inhabitants, and those who swallowed you up will be far away. The children of your bereavement will yet say in your ears, the place is too narrow for me. Make room for me to dwell in. Then you will say in your heart, who has borne me these? I was bereaved and barren, exiled and put away. But who has brought up these? Behold, I was left alone. From where have these come? Thus says the Lord God. Behold, I will lift up my hand to the nations, and raise my signal to the people. And they shall bring your sons in their arms, and your daughters shall be carried on their shoulders. Kings shall be your foster fathers, and their queens your nursing mothers. With their faces to the ground they shall bow down to you, and lick the dust of your feet. Then you will know that I am the Lord. Those who wait for me shall not be put to shame. Can the prey be taken from the mighty, or the captives of the tyrant be rescued? For thus says the Lord, even the captives of the mighty shall be taken, and the prey of the tyrant be rescued. For I will contend with those who contend with you, and I will save your children. I will make your oppressors eat their own flesh, and they shall be drunk with their own blood as with wine. Then all flesh shall know that I am the Lord your Savior, and your Redeemer, the Mighty One of Jacob. Thus says the Lord, where is your mother's certificate of divorce, with which I sent her away? Or which of my creditors is it to whom I have sold you? Behold, for your iniquities you were sold, and for your transgressions your mother was sent away. Why, when I came, was there no man? Why, when I called, was there no one to answer? Is my hand shortened that it cannot redeem? Or have I no power to deliver? Behold, by my rebuke I dry up the sea. I make the rivers a desert. Their fish stink for lack of water and die of thirst. I clothe the heavens with blackness and make sackcloth their covering. The Lord God has given me the tongue of those who are taught, that I may know how to sustain with a word him who is weary. Morning by morning he awakens. He awakens my ear to hear as those who are taught. The Lord God has opened my ear, and I was not rebellious. I turned not backward. I gave my back to those who strike, and my cheeks to those who pull out the beard. I hid not my face from disgrace and spitting. But the Lord God helps me. Therefore I have not been disgraced. Therefore I have set my face like a flint, and I know that I shall not be put to shame. He who vindicates me is near. Who will contend with me? Let us stand up together. Who is my adversary? Let him come near to me. Behold, the Lord God helps me. Who will declare me guilty? Behold, all of them will wear out like a garment. The moth will eat them up. Who among you fears the Lord and obeys the voice of his servant? Let him who walks in darkness and has no light trust in the name of the Lord and rely on his God. Behold, all you who kindle a fire, who equip yourselves with burning torches. Walk by the light of your fire and by the torches that you have kindled. This you have from my hand. You shall lie down in torment. Listen to me, you who pursue righteousness, you who seek the Lord. Look to the rock from which you were hewn, and to the quarry from which you were dug. Look to Abraham your father, and to Sarah who bore you. For he was but one when I called him, that I might bless him and multiply him. For the Lord comforts Zion. He comforts all her waste places, and makes her wilderness like Eden, her desert like the garden of the Lord. Joy and gladness will be found in her, thanksgiving and the voice of song. Right. Jesus came into the district of Caesarea Philippi. He asked his disciples, "Who do people say that the Son of Man is?" And they said, "Some say John the Baptist, others say Elijah, and others Jeremiah or one of the prophets." He said to them, "But who do you say that I am?" Simon Peter replied, "You are the Christ, the Son of the living God." And Jesus answered him, "Blessed are you, Simon Bar-Jonah, for flesh and blood has not revealed this to you, but my Father who is in heaven. And I tell you, you are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church, and the gates of hell shall not prevail against it. I will give you the keys of the kingdom of heaven, and whatever you bind on earth shall be bound in heaven, and whatever you loose on earth shall be loosed in heaven." Then he strictly charged the disciples to tell no one that he was the Christ. Right. That's right. Jesus is coming. I tell you what's up, one. He's coming at the church blessed. Jehovah is coming. I tell you what's up, one. He's coming at the church blessed. The love will walk, the mute I go talk, the young to go smart, this brother might be sharp. Vampire and mosquitoes shall bless the judgments of who's dead. The sun I go dark, so that I go back. The stickers scotch shall drown in a glass. Prostitutes of Babylon shall burn in any furnace. Jesus is coming. Coming at the church doors. Jehovah is coming. King Rastafari, we can't tremble when the lyrics sound. New name, power of the Trinity, Lion of Judah, return to the throne with a new name. King Rastafari, we can't tremble when the lyrics sound. New name, Haile Selassie, Lion of Judah, return to the throne to claim and seize all his hopes and dreams. Crumbling before him while he plots and schemes. Hard way, so in truth will learn. They won't reverse the fire when them plans get burned. But I know, cause I just say, the truest resurrection is spiritually. And the key to the comfort is to preach the word. Knowing not just believing how the prophecy revealing with that new name. King Rastafari, we have to tremble when the lyrics sound. New name, power of the Trinity, Lion of Judah, return to the throne with that new name. King Rastafari, we have to tremble when the lyrics sound. New name, Haile Selassie, Lion of Judah, return to the throne. She's screaming pain. Another life descends into the physical plane. Young mama frightened as she wraps her brain around the work she has cut out for her. She must maintain. But I know, cause that's what just say. The youth them is the future. Let them lead the way. Just nurture and prepare them for the present day. With the word and the example of his imperial majesty, the new day. Rastafari, we can't tremble when the lyrics Lion of Judah, return to the throne with a new name. King Rastafari, not a tremble when the hear its sound. New name, Haile Selassie, Lion of Judah, return to the throne. Know the cry, the way, the truth, the light. Know the cry, the exemplar, and the prototype. Do you know the Christ consciousness? Are you aware of what the prophecy will bring? The spirit of the Most High in a king. Trumpets sounding in fulfillment as the righteous gathering under a new name. King Rastafari, we heart a tremble when they hear its sound. New name, power of the Trinity, Lion of Judah, return to the throne with a new name. King Rastafari, brave hearts assemble when they hear its sound. New name, power of the Trinity, Lion of Judah, return to the throne with a new name. King Rastafari, Israel